The food we eat. The clothes we wear. The furniture we use. And our other everyday products. We are working with farmers, foresters and businesses each and every day to help make sure these products are made with respect for people, nature and the climate, so you can be more confident with your choices. We couldn't have done 2021 without you. Over 80 million hectares of forest, and more than 800,000 farmers certified. 2.9 million euros of funding secured for development projects. Over 1,500 individual supply chains evaluated for illegality risks. Supported ecosystem restoration efforts in Europe, Africa, Latin America, and North America. Expanded our work into biofuel and the financial sector via the sustainability framework. Over 8.5 million hectares of nature and over 30,000 species protected by the long-run members. Over 2,000 participants trained on timber legality and sustainable forestry. None of this would be possible without your collaboration and support. Together, for a better future. Happy holidays, from all of us to you.